Well, in this section, we're going to talk about Euclid's number theory, or as the Greeks might have referred to it, basically just arithmetic. It's math that deals with integers and maybe sometimes just natural numbers, the positive integers. Well, we're going to start off with a very foundational definition. If we're given two integers a and b, where a is not equal to 0, a divides b, that's what we're defining here, and I'll say it's denoted a with a vertical bar b. That's how we'll write it from now on. A with the vertical bar b means a divides b, and a does divide b if there is an integer k such that a k equals b. Simple as that. So as a joke, this is sometimes referred to as goes into. A goes into b. A goes into b, or a goes evenly into b if there's another integer k such that a times that integer k equals b. And we could also note that as, I guess, separate from the definition, or maybe it goes along with it. I'll put it in brackets. If we write this, put a line through that vertical bar, you can guess what it means. A does not divide b. In other words, there is no integer k such that ak equals b. So let's look at some simple examples. Let's take, well, we could do any number of them. 2 divides 10, obviously. Since 2 times 5 is equal to 10, that would be my integer k. I found an integer such that if I multiply it by 2, I get 10. 2 divides 98. Since 2 times, what would that be, 49 equals 98. Or maybe 3 divides 51. Since 3 times 17 is equal to 51. Let's do one where it doesn't work. How about 5 does not divide 51? And one way we could say that is since 5k is not equal to 51 for all k in the set of integers. Remember, the upside down a means for all, or for each, or for every. For every single k that is an integer, 5k is not equal to 51. Okay, well, to finish out this short video, let's just make a note here about some other ways we might refer to this a divides b. So this means, and the way we read it, as we've already said, is a divides b. Well, we could also say that, or how about a is a divisor of b? Or maybe we could say that b is a multiple of a. And what else could we say? We could say a is a factor of b. So there are several ways we can say this, and I mentioned this earlier, it's kind of a joke, but we could say a gazinta, b. You may actually hear that again or see it even informally written in a math book. Okay, so that's the basic definition, A divides B, the basic definition that we're going to be using in this section on Euclid's number theory.